And I was actually 55 when I realized if I'm going to have horses in my life, I'm better do it now. I'm not getting any younger here. And so I got riding lessons. I had some mentors in terms of helping me to get my first horse. So I got my first horse and went to what they call natural horsemanship workshops. And I was just having the time of my life. I was enjoying every single aspect of that. Well, after several years of that, I began to realize that my horse was not getting the same experience out of this that I was. And so I started looking around for other mentors. I came across Stormy May's documentary, Path to the Horse. It's a beautiful documentary. It's free on YouTube. And it was her journey from traditional horse trainer to actually horse empathizer. And then I also came across the James French's trust technique, enrolled in his program. And for the first time, I really started to be able to develop a relationship with my horse. And just as an example of what that has done, a friend of mine recently purchased a horse, and she wanted what she referred to as a rocking chair horse that she could just get on and have no problems with. Well, this horse turns out to not be the quarter horse she thought he was. He actually has a great deal of thoroughbred blood in him, and he is high-spirited and high energy, and she didn't know what to do with him. She couldn't even get a bridle on him, so she asked for my help. And so I went and helped her, and all I did was stand with this horse in mindful meditation for about 20 minutes. And he, when she attempted to put a bridle on him, he'd raise his head, he'd actually rear up and back up, and really creating a really dangerous situation there. After 20 minutes of just spending mindful meditation with him, he lowered his head. I slipped the bridle on, no problem whatsoever.